Hey cruisers, welcome back to Gear-Athon, 26 days of gear reveals and reviews. We're getting towards the end here and we're getting a little bit sad about it. I want to keep going, but it's hard to keep that much stuff on hand, right? Today we are actually featuring a product that we have known and loved for a little while now, and I am loving it so much that I actually wanted to finally do a review on the product, and that is the eBags Packet Flat Toiletry Kit. It comes in a variety of sizes, and of course we will link to it below, but I have been using it so much that I never unpack it. So this little guy is literally living in my closet, remaining fully packed, and I'm going to tell you why I'm using it so much, why I like it, and why I think this might be a good investment for you if you're trying to save a little bit of space in your suitcase. So the first thing that I'm loving about it is that it is, by the name you already know, it is flat. There is definitely something satisfying about laying this thing on the top of your clothes in your suitcase or in with your packing cubes, and it just doesn't feel boxy. It doesn't feel like it takes up a lot of space. I'm loving it. And right now it's a little overstuffed too, so you could even take a few things out of it if you wanted it to lay a little bit more flat. But as you can see, it's probably only about 3 inches fully full thick. And that is wonderful. Another thing that I'm liking about it is the quality of the zippers. You know I'm fussy about zippers, and these zippers are top quality. You really do notice it when you're getting in and out of them quickly, hanging it up in your stateroom, all that good stuff. Another thing that I'm loving about it is that it hangs beautifully on the back of a door in either a hotel or a cruise cabin. You can hang it on your towel rack, the back of the door, anywhere. And this little hanger is really nice. It's top quality and it's tiny. It doesn't take up a lot of space. And you just simply hang it up just like that. You've seen it in my videos. I'm taking it everywhere with me and I'm really crazy about it. I've even used the mirror that it comes with here a few times, taken it out, propped it up somewhere while I was doing my makeup, and it's been fantastic. Another thing that I like about it is it has a few clear compartments. So you know that I generally pack toiletry bags that have clear plastic viewers in them. Well, these mesh ones are working just as well for me. Up here, I have a little medicine type kit, chapstick, band-aids, earplugs, and a few basics, things like that, small travel packet size pain reliever for myself and my son, things like that. Down here, I have some very small sample size bottles for travel, things that are about this size, and I probably have 5 or 6 of them in there along with a little teeny tiny nail file, and they fit beautifully, and I just leave them packed all the time for short little weekend trips and things like that. In these other mesh containers, as you can see right here, mesh pockets, I've got my toothbrushes for the whole family, razor, deodorant, a bar of soap, and some hair gel for the boys. So these are working out great. So loving the mesh. I also really like these separate compartments. You kind of have to remember what you put where, but as you can see, I have kind of cotton balls and Q-tips here along with some more medication. And I'll zip that right back up. Over here, I just keep a simple little thing of travel tissue. And then on the other side, this is the larger compartment. There's only one zipper on this side. This is where I'm keeping some Clorox wipes for the stateroom and sample packets of shampoo and things like that. So it is really just working out well. It's serving me well. And I wanted to come back and give you kind of a post-cruise and post-use double thumbs up for this product. You can buy it on Amazon. You can buy it directly on eBags website. And we will put some links in the description box below to not only this size, but some of the other available toiletry kits from eBags if this one isn't right for you. Thank you so much for tuning in for Gear-Athon. We so appreciate all of you. Be sure to follow Cruise Tips TV on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And until next time, get in gear and get cruising. See you next time.